What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on a 2008 GMC Canyon. The owner of this truck just got it as his new daily, his new work truck. And the first thing he noticed about it was the smell of smoke and I guess just the general disgust in the interior. So what we wanted to do is really focus on the headliner and get all that smoke smell out of the entire truck. So that required removing of the seats, center console, so I could get the carpets on the bottom and the headliner on the top. This is something I'd like to start doing with all of my details. That way every customer feels a little bit more special. They get to see exactly what I did to their vehicle and understand it, and that'll also help with people who have more questions. So if you do have questions, this is not my first interior detail that I posted. I've got another one of a 2007 Ford Fusion. Check that out as well. And I have an exterior detail of my 2016 Ford F150 Platinum. So be sure to check those videos out. I will put them down in the description. If you're new to my channel and my page, Clean Machine, you can find me on Facebook/Clean Machine. I've got business cards I can hand, or you can find my contact information there as well.